Hey everyone, welcome to the grand finale of the Make a Snake Clone series. And as a finale, I will say that this is already done. At this point, we have made a working snake clone. Mind you, it's in its most bare bone functions right now, but it is in fact a snake clone. You can play, you can move the snake around, you can get the items that make the snake bigger, and of course, you can lose the game. Currently, there is no way to actually win the game, and I don't think there is actually a way to win Snake in the current in any iteration of the game. You just go as long as you can before the game inevitably ends in defeat. So on this note, we're done. But it still is a Snake clone in its most bare, basic functionality. It works, but it's nothing flashy, it's nothing extravagant. So what can you do next? Well, I'm going to put this in your hands now to make this game your own if it's something you want to continue, and try to challenge yourself to add some cool new features. Just some ideas. Number one, you can add sound to the game. We haven't actually added any sound effects. You can go to freesound.org and get some free sound effects on there. Just pay attention to the license details. You can add a counter to show how big the snake is getting. So this is kind of a way to almost keep track of the score, show the player how well they're doing, so they have something to try to achieve by repeating the game. You can add a button to the lose screen to restart the game, because currently there is no way to restart it. You have to shut it down and restart manually. And on that note, you could also add a main menu if you feel particularly creative. You can add random blocks that make the player lose if the player runs into these blocks, just add some extra obstacles. You can make the snake move faster as the game progresses, so find a way that maybe after the player collects 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever berries, the snake starts moving a little faster, the game becomes harder. Add those extra challenges in. You can improve the graphics. The graphics, I don't know if you noticed, but they are very, very basic. I am by no means a graphic designer, and I'm pretty sure every single person watching this video can do a lot better than I did on the graphic side of things. And, of course, you could also spice it up by adding some particle effects. Unity has a very beautiful built-in particle system. If there's any future interest, I can, of course, make tutorials on how to put particle effects together, but in the meantime, that's something you can do. And, of course, you can upload your game to itch.io so other people can try it out. And I have put a link in the video description to another video that I previously made where I show you how to do this. So you can click that video and watch a tutorial, or you can go on there and try to figure it out. And feel free, if you do take this up, put a link to your game in the comments so other people can see what you have managed to achieve. Anyways, that is it for this series. I hope you got something out of this. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck in your future game development.